स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है ए सॉलिड सिलेंडर ऑफ मास 3 kg इज रोलिंग ऑन ए हॉरिजॉन्टल सरफेस विद ए वेलोसिटी ऑफ 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड. इट कोलाइड्स विद ए हॉरिजॉन्टल स्प्रिंग of force constant 200 newton meter. The maximum compression produced in the spring will be. So that is solid cylinder, so it looks like this. This is a cylinder. Okay, so actually ये 3D डायमेंशन है, इसलिए नहीं थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है ड्रॉ करना. So it's solid cylinder. Okay, so this is a cylinder. So it's moving with a horizontal velocity that has been 4 meter per second, and it's also rolling. Okay, so ये roll भी कर रहा है, that mean तो angular velocity भी work कर रहा है ओमेगा के साथ. so ये एक spring constant से hit कर रहा है, collide कर रहा है. let's assume this is the wall and here is a spring. okay, here is a spring. so इस spring से आके टकरा रहा है. so then the spring will be compressed. so हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं that ये जो रोल कर रहा है इधर, this cylindrical mass of 3 kg that has been given as 3 kg. so at this point इसका कोई potential energy नहीं है. that means the initial potential energy that is 0. okay, but what is the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is half m v square. okay, so जो kinetic energy initial है, actually it is the sum of the two types of kinetic energy. okay, because one is the transitional, that the horizontal kinetic energy, that is half mv square, and another is the rotational, that will be half I omega square. okay, so this will be the angular kinetic energy. so the initial kinetic energy will be the sum of these two. okay, and finally जब इसको जाके इधर टकरा रहा है, तो टक्कर के बाद क्या हो रहा है, that the spring will be compressed. okay, so the spring will be compressed like this. okay, so at originally it was at this level, so then it is compressed. कितना compressed हो रहा है, let's assume that x compress हो रहा है. okay, so अब पूछा गया है compression मतलब x का वैल्यू कितना होगा स्प्रिंग में. okay, so what is the compression produced? so initially हमने बताया that initial kinetic energy is sum of these two kinetic energy, that transitional and rotational. okay, and finally जब hit करेगा, at that moment after hitting the object to the spring, there will be velocity will be 0. okay, so there will be finally the kinetic energy will be 0 and potential energy will be the compression of the spring. okay, so the potential energy will be, that means that final potential energy, that will be P final will be equal to half k x square, that is stored, that will be stored in the spring. so this is the spring potential energy, will be the final potential energy. okay, so as per the law of conservation of energy, we can say that initial energy will be always equal to final energy. so initial energy will be initial potential energy plus initial kinetic energy will be equal to final potential energy plus final kinetic energy. okay, so initially the potential energy is 0 and kinetic energy is rotational kinetic energy plus transitional kinetic energy. okay, so rotational and transitional, that is T we can represent. So final potential energy कितना हुआ, that is half kx square. Okay, so that will be half kx square, and final kinetic energy V will be 0, so that part will be also 0. So the rotational kinetic energy plus of transitional kinetic energy will be equal to the potential energy stored in the spring. Okay, so now we can say that the rotational kinetic energy is half I omega square plus transitional kinetic energy will be half mv square, will be equal to half ks square. Okay, so half I omega square. What is the I? I is the I can be written as inertia. Okay, क्योंकि ये rotational motion है. So inertial mass. So inertial mass इस ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए inertial mass क्या होगा, क्योंकि ये cylindrical object है. So the I will be for the cylindrical object. The value of I for the cylindrical object will be half mr square. Okay, as because it is cylindrical object. So I का वैल्यू हम लोग पुट करते हैं half mr square. Okay, and what is the omega? We know that omega जो rotational velocity है, that has been related to v as v by r, the transitional velocity. Okay, so that will be v by r whole square. So a relationship है between the rotational and transitional velocity. So plus of half mv square will be equal to half ks square. So now it will be 1 by 4, r square से r square कट जाएगा. So that will be mv square plus of half mv square will be equal to half of kx square. Okay, so now it will be 3 mv square by 4 equal to half kx square. Okay, so now the x will be what? So the x will be root under 3 mv square by 4 2 by k. Okay, so now if we put the values, so कितना वैल्यू पूछा गया है, that mass is 3 kg and force constant k का वैल्यू दिया गया है 200. Okay, and the velocity is 4. So अब हम लोग वैल्यूज पुट कर देते हैं. Okay, so that will be what, 3 into 3 mass into velocity has been given as 4 square, that means 4 into 4 divided by 4 into 2 divided by 200. Okay, so 2 into 2, so that will be root under 9 into 16 divided by 400. So that will be, after the root square, it will be 3 into 4 divided by 20. So that will be 12 divided by 20. So that will be 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 means what? 3 by 5 means 0.6. Okay, so our option will be 0.6. So hope you understand this. the computation produced, so the value of x will be 0.6 meter. Okay, so by